All right, we're live. We are live for the morning. Good morning, everyone that is joining. Going live a little early, because why not? Why not? Morning, Caesar. How are you this morning? How are you this morning? Great, good trades last night. Yeah, there was we're up about 5R, a little less after commission, but overall really good night. I would agree with that. So up about 2,400 there. We're on 500 risk per trade, so right about 5R there. One loss and a lot of wins last night. So we had from the open at 6 p.m. My thing might be in, my NinjaTrader might actually be in Central. No, it's in Eastern. Okay. Yeah, we had one full win last night, so morning, Scott. Booming today? Yes. Up 5R so far. We had a full win last night around 7. We had a partial win last night around 9:45. We had our first loss at around 11 p.m. Then we had a full win again at 12:30 in the morning. Full win at 2:30 in the morning. Full win at 4 in the morning. And full win, I think it was partial win, which actually happened live when I rebooted it. It's full, but again, that's just from little different fills. Perfect fill versus a little slippage can make a difference, but a nice win here as well. So 12 PA video. Well, that was manually trading. That video was me manually trading and kind of a recap for the month. So I do about $200 of risk per trade when I manually trade. Yeah, good morning, guys. We got about 14 minutes till the open. And do we have any news today? No news on Forex Factory. Financial juice. Yeah, we'll keep that open. Big market sell-off yesterday afternoon. Down quite a bit there, about 60 points on the ES, and we sold off nearly 260 points on NQ. That was mainly off of NVIDIA CEO saying that if the US doesn't stop restricting AI, then China's going to beat everyone. So yeah, Trump announcement later today, lunchtime maybe. I don't think that'll affect the market too much, but we are really lagging behind here. Let's do, I guess we'll just change it here just for the live stream. Maybe that'll speed us back up there. Yeah. Never know what to expect. That's very true. That is very true. We are finalizing the update. I'm pushing to get it out this weekend for you guys. So I would say expect it this weekend so that you can, load it up and have it running by Sunday evening, Monday morning kind of thing. So expect that, I would say. Morning, Justin. How are you this morning? Let's see as well. We have London session and Asia session low on NQ. Below us at 629 and 617. I only start yawning when I go on the live stream. I hope NinjaTrader didn't freeze on me. Looks like it probably did, but let's see. Pretty much frozen. Not quite though, it's not at 0. We'll leave it for a minute, I guess, but guys have questions about anything, let me know. We're chilling until the open here. And we'll do a little recap before the open, and I'll remind everyone some levels to watch here before the market opens as well. I think I'm going to reboot NinjaTrader. So excited to do that. Just gonna blank the screen so I don't leak anything. Not that there's really anything to leak, but you never know what will accidentally pop up. So air is super dry here today as well. It's 35 degrees outside here. So a little chilly, not super fun. Not super fun at all. I don't know where you guys live, but I would like to move to Florida. I'll tell you that. Come on, NinjaTrader. I'm just trying to close you down. Thank you. Just rebooting NinjaTrader, guys. Just rebooting, so give me a minute here. We all know how NinjaTrader can be sometimes. Okay. Justin, I don't remember. Do you enter immediately when the iFVG is created? Do you wait for the candle to close down? There's no option. So in the bot, the only way it's a valid inverse for value gap trade is if you get a candle closure, you know, above or below the gap. Sometimes, you know, manually trading, if we get a lot of momentum, I might get in some of my position if we start to, you know, if we look like we're going to close above the gap, but there's still like 20 seconds left. Might get in early. But that's about it there. In the bot, though, there's not really a way to have it read that, if that makes sense. So it just goes off of candle closures. Just give me a second. I'm loading up some stuff here. And I'm hoping it doesn't freeze again. 75 degrees in South Florida. Sounds nice, man. It sounds nice. Sure does. I'm heading to Florida again in a little over a month. For 4 or 5 days or something. A little before Christmas. Heading back towards the Tampa area. Alright, I got it back loaded up here. It's still so... like, why is it doing that? I don't know. Sometimes it's like the data's lagging behind quite a bit. Screen's black again for people just joining. I'm reloading everything in my NinjaTrader right now. So just please give me a minute. Thank you. Okay, hold on. NinjaTrader be bugging out on me today. Oh my god, if it froze again, I'm gonna be... I think it did. Oh my god, it did. Morning, James. Morning, James. Just dealing with some NinjaTrader freezing. That's all. Oi, 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 man. Really have to do this to me, huh? Should have just left it, I guess. I'm restarting again, guys. I'm restarting again. Because it froze again. I'm just going to let the data be laggy. And deal with it. Rebooting again. 75 degrees does sound nice right now. Yep, market is dumping right now. That's correct. Reminder here for the open here. We have London session low at 629 on NQ. Asia session low at 617. So I'd mark those out. The 50% level is at 720. And we have an hourly high up at 894. Okay, so those are the kind of 3 or 4 areas I'm watching on the opening. On the opening bell. I think for the live stream here, I'm just going to enable kind of regular. I'm going to not enable the EMA this morning. So we'll enable just normal Joey settings just with no EMA. But last night we were up about 5R, as I mentioned, with the Joey, just regular Joey settings last night. So all right, so we got that loaded. I'm just gonna load up one more thing here. Then I'll re-show the screen. So thanks for chilling while I do this. Thank you for being patient. Turned it all off after 1.5R last night. It did make 5R. It did make 5R last night. So if you did turn it off early, definitely would be missing out a bit. But there's also a lot of times, obviously, where it's up 1.5R and then it ends up red. So don't feel bad. Don't feel bad. Just stick to what you're doing. Whatever that is, right? NinjaTrader is being so slow for me this morning. It is starting to piss me off a little bit. It really is. Oh, calm down, Joe. Calm down. I'm trying. I'm really trying to be calm here. It's not working though. And my Quan Tower starts lagging too. Market opens instantly 7,000, 8,000 MS delay, 9,000 MS delay. Come on, like what? Wow. Holy cow, NinjaTrader sucks this morning. Not even gonna lie to you. Okay. I'm not even gonna lie to you. NinjaTrader is atrociously sucking. Bro, what is this? Holy smokes. Can't get anything to work. Cannot get anything to work. This is nuts. Absolutely nuts. Okay. You all better sit in here, because I'm gonna get the live stream going at some point in the morning. It's just trying to get one more thing loaded up, but you know, that just won't work, I guess. Guess we're not gonna get that working this morning, huh? All right, we're getting close to sweeping London session low here. Okay. I'm good. Okay, hold on. Here we go. I'm about to turn it on. We didn't sweep London low yet. Here comes the live stream. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Here we go. Boom. We're back. We're back. We're back. Thank you for waiting patiently. All right. Holy cow. What a frustrating morning. Okay, London low 629. We missed it by 2 points. 3 points there on NQ. 50% level still at 720. I'll show you guys on the chart here. This blue line is our 50% level. But yeah, welcome in. If you guys have questions, let me know. And yeah, I don't know. Go from there. I have Spectre up for fun in the back here. Okay, let's see if NQ will sweep London low here. 50% level is something I mark out. It's from 6 o'clock when the market reopens until current price. Current time, I should say. Just the lowest low to the highest high in that time. It's a good level. Just kind of a good support resistance level, good spot to scale, good target. Longs below it, shorts above it, kind of, you know, full session 50%. Generally works super good for targets or scaling out your position, stuff like that. Still didn't sweep London low there. We got moved down again and got a little over a point, a little over 1 point away. See that? Okay, that's good. There's London session low there. Just broke or swept the London session low. See if we want to sweep Asia session low as well. Big SMT with NQ and ES. Be watching this. Let's see. $30-second long on NQ is not terrible. We just didn't sweep the Asia low yet. Didn't sweep the Asia low, which would be much better if we swept the Asia low. Gonna be completely honest. Looks like NQ might want to go back and get that London, or get the Asia low here at 617. We hit 619. We'll see what it wants to do here. See what it wants to do. Can see we're getting some sell wicks up at the highs. Definitely getting some sell wicks at the highs here. No trades with the Autotrader as of 9:30. I turned off the EMA this morning just to see if we, can get any other trades. Sometimes it's a little slow on the live stream with the EMA filter on, so figured why not. And my NinjaTrader was a little laggy, so. All right. We're going for the Asia low here on NQ, guys, so going for that Asia session low. Asia low, here we come. Get ready. Should happen probably in the next couple minutes, I would say, from the looks of the market. There's Asia low. Okay. There's Asia low. Kind of have equal highs above us too, up at 668. Really selling though. Really selling. A lot of selling. We are already down 100 points. Wow. Okay. Let's see, 1 minute long here, potentially, on NQ. Textbook setup, really. This... pretty textbook. ES almost sweeping London low as well, so might help if ES can sweep that London low. Might help a bit. What are we we doing here? Okay. A little bit of buying after the Asia low there. Still super volatile though. Super volatile. Okay, what's happening here? Bot is in this 1 minute, which we closed over actually on, took the 2 minute actually. It's an A setup. This is technically an A setup. On the 2 minute, it took it on a 1 minute, even though we actually closed kind of like on the line. We have a SMT right now with ES. We have some momentum. We have, you know, we swept the Asia low. And we are bouncing out of an hourly for value gap as well. It's literally, it is an A setup. So if it doesn't work, it doesn't work, but it's a good setup. So. It is an A setup. And some nice, you know, about 20 points there, almost, about actually like 17. Hitting this small 1 minute gap. Be a good spot if we hit that gap, if you're trading it manually, to maybe go break even. And this new update with EMA enabled, I didn't get that trade. I don't have the EMA enabled right now. I don't have the EMA enabled right now, so. Weird, my Top Step account is very buggy this morning. It's a win there. It's an A setup. I took it off for a 1-to-1 roughly, manually. I think this could go higher. We are seeing a lot of momentum here. I would probably scale if you're still in more at the 50% level. But okay, it's good. I scaled right at these highs, the pretty much equal highs here. Right here, I scaled because we had this high and this high, fairly equal highs there. So I did scale my position manually there. Got a fill at 69.50. So literally, yeah, right here. And it would have came right down and hit me out break even anyway, so it doesn't matter if it goes higher at this point to me. But yeah, 100%, that is an A setup. An A quality setup. Again, oh my. I'm glad I got out. Okay. Did we just have like some news come out or what? Like, what is that? We just dropped 80 points in 2 candles. ES just swept the London session low. ES just swept London session low. Again, I don't have the EMA on, so this is Joey settings without EMA. But we made 5R overnight with the Joey settings with the EMA. I posted all the screenshots of the trades it took overnight in the Discord, in the testimonials chat. So go take a look at that. I said I would be done for the day. I'd leave the live stream account going. This is the live stream account, so yeah. Let's see what Spectre's up to for fun here. It took... I don't have Martingale on it today, but trying a slightly different thing, but... What is it taking here? Targets... It down pretty big this morning there. What does ES look here? Not terrible. Spectre down pretty big for me. Almost filled the 4 hour. Yeah, pretty much filled, yeah. Plus or minus 2 points. Okay, we're still selling off here. Still selling off here. Spectre in a long. A reversal. Pretty risky. I don't have any martingale on today. Gotta find the best start time for that. Again, for those just joining, again, repeating myself a lot, but up 5R overnight with the Joey settings last night. Okay. So posted that in the Discord again, the testimonial section. 2409 for profit, $2,409 for profit there. 500 risk per trade. We had a full win, partial win, loss, partial win, full win, partial win. Been pretty choppy so far. It's downtrending, but it has been fairly choppy. Down 140 points as well. 140 points down, but it still looks super choppy. So, very volatile today. Another hourly low at 488 on NQ. That's what I'm watching now. Watching 488. 488. 50% level is at 675 now. So right, this blue line is our 50% level at this point, so. Probably wait until NQ sweeps out new low at 488. All right, it's 10 a.m. Almost 10 a.m. Again, we have an hourly low at 488. Another mean reversion trade. It's getting wrecked and wrecked. Okay. A lot of mean reversion trades today. Getting pooped on. All right, we're sweeping the low 488. Here we go. We just swept it. We have a 1 minute FVG here. Oh wow, we're just dumping. We're dumping. Let's check on the big stocks here. Nvidia down to 193. So that's down quite a bit. Palantir down to 184. Amazon down 247. AMD down to 244. That's down a lot today. That's down 4%. Google 284. Tesla 258. Microsoft down to 499, below 500s. Everything's red. Literally everything. Even Costco's red. Everything's red, bro. Everything. Currently, what size gap is this? 12 points. Yeah, okay. Hourly low here on ES is 71.75. Keep our eyes on Spectre, I guess, for now. Maybe we get more action. A nice little insta win there. I don't have any martingale on. I don't know if we'd be down more this morning with martingale on. Or maybe we just need to find the best time to start Spectre as well, because I just started trying it out this week. I could have enabled it at 10 or 9:45 might have been better as well. We had this stop out. We had target, stop. Then we had stop, target, stop. Or wait, target there, stop, target, stop. Oh, I don't know. Okay, well, I don't know. We'll figure that out. Watching, again, there's this red highlighted FVG here. I would like to see if we could inverse that. I would like to see if we could inverse that. We have another hourly low as well, 404. So if we keep moving down anymore, I would watch for the hourly low at 404 to get swept. All right, we're going for the 404 low. Not really interested in this long up here anymore. Not really interested. another stop here on Spectre. Keeps trying to revert. Super volatility. It's actually, with less slippage would have been a win, actually. Hmm. $30 long. I don't know if I want to take that, to be honest. Don't really think I do. Might work. I'm not going to take it. Too much selling. And we have another hourly low right at 404 that we just missed. I feel like that'd be the draw. Feel like that'd be the draw, so. It did take this micro 1 minute here, lost instantly. Kind of the same trade that the 30-second was, would have been an instant loss, so glad I didn't take that. Glad I didn't take that one. I think we're drawing towards 404, personally. This is a super strong sell-off. Holy cow. Definitely seeing a bit of buying, but I do think the draw is that 404. Yeah, definitely getting some buy wicks out of that 30-second per valley gap there. Confusing market, man. Be careful, guys. ES also made equal lows with the hourly low. I just don't think we're done going down quite yet. We might reverse, but I don't know. I think we might need to move down just a smidge more. But we're starting to see some buying. That's like a crazy candle. Like what? 42-point candle? Oh my gosh. $42-point gap. All right, it's 10:11. What's that looking like? Okay. Something about it, I still think we're going to go towards 404. I don't know. That's what I think. That's what I think. Wow. Okay. And we sold off. Okay. We have equal lows on the 30-second at 413, hourly low at 404. Equal lows on the ES 1 minute at 72, with the hourly low at 71.75. I think we're going there. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? That's atrocious. No. Oh no, that's so bad. That sucks. Dude, I took a short there on NQ. And I had a limit order for my TP at 404. We hit 404.25 and then spiked back up to break even. I mean, that's so unfortunate. Literally missed my TP by one single tick, and we didn't even sweep the hourly low on NQ. We hit 404.5 on NQ. Oh, okay. Well, we'll call it there. Call it there on the live stream. Thank you all for watching. We're gonna be done. So thanks for watching. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Tomorrow will be Friday. So thanks for chilling. I'll see everyone later.